Imagine effortlessly sending automated text messages without lifting a finger. Let's make that a reality. First, visit Twilio.com and log into your account if you're new. Quickly sign up. Locate your account SID and auth token on your dashboard. These are crucial for connecting to Make. Also, ensure you have a Twilio phone number. This is the number that will send your automated messages. Now, head to Make log in or create your free account. From your Make dashboard, select Create a new scenario to begin. This is where we build our automation. As the first module, choose Webhooks and select Custom Webhook. This provides a unique URL to trigger your automation. Next, add a Twilio module from its actions. Select Send a Message. When prompted to create a connection, paste your Twilio account SID and auth token. Give your connection a clear name and save it. Finally, configure the Twilio module. Select your Twilio phone number in the From field, enter the recipient's number into, and craft your message content. Save and activate your scenario. Trigger your webhook, and watch as your automated text message is instantly sent. You've now mastered automated SMS with Make and Twilio. Like this video, subscribe for more automation tips, and let us know what you'd like to automate next.